Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Excessive2, and today is the day that we are going to put on the Street Aero rear diffuser. And it's right here. I already opened it up. I'm sorry guys, I could not wait. But yeah, there it is. And we are going to be putting it on right over here. But we need to take off this piece first, and that piece, and that tow hook. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, I am super sad because I had to take my tow hook off in the rear. And I am working on taking this off so that we can put on the rear diffuser. And hopefully it'll all go well. First I need to jack up my car, put it on jack stands, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took off the easy lips, the janky easy lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car. Alright guys, we got the car all jacked up and it is ready to be installed on the car. I'm so excited. Hopefully this works out well, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, this is the bottom of it, and I'm going to show you guys the top in a minute. Look at all these peanuts going all over the place. I need to clean that up later. Yeah, there it is. And I'm going to show you the top of it. Alright guys, this is the piece that goes on my diffuser. And I think I have to put those two on. I don't know why I didn't come like it, but look at that. That looks so cool. Let me know what you guys think of the diffuser. I can't wait to put it on. Alright guys, so we got it on. The little two side pieces. And it looks so aggressive, I can't wait. Looks amazing. Alright guys, so I lined up where it's gonna go. And now I am going to start to drill holes. And then we will bolt it on. Alright guys, I'm a little less than halfway done. It was hard to do it by myself. I had to keep the diffuser in place because I had to put like jack stand, this to hold it while I was matching up the bolts. So I finished that one, and then I finished that one, and now I just need to do these two. And when doing this, you have to be careful with not screwing into the exhaust. And I have two more left to go after the two exhaust ones, and we will be done. Alright guys, I am a little bit dirty right now, as you could tell, but that's because I have a little surprise for you guys that I did not tell you about before in this video. So I'm putting little winglets on the side of the car, or the rear diffuser, and the diffuser is actually on, which looks amazing. I'll show you guys in one of the next clips for the rear diffuser, because I want you guys to see the finished product with the little wings right here that I bought for an extra piece in the rears. And this is how they came. So I needed to cut them a little because they were universal to fit my car. So I had to cut them a little in order for them to fit my car perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that, and I'll show you guys the finished product in a bit. Alright guys, the finished product is done. It's on the car, but first I need to go wash the car to reveal it all in one piece. I'm gonna go wash the car, shower, because I'm so dirty from all this. Yeah, I'm gonna wash the car, shower, and drive up to a spot to show you guys the rear diffuser and the little winglets with it. Alright guys, so I am back and I showered, I cleaned my car, as you can tell, and now it is time to show you guys the final rear diffuser. So I did not want to take off the bumper. I feel like I was too lazy, so I put in the extra effort without taking the bumper off. It would have been way easier. That's what I recommend, is to take off the bumper if you put on any diffusers, any splitters. So yeah, let me show you guys the final product in 3, 2, 1. So yeah guys, there you have it. That is the full Street Aero kit all around. I even got these side pieces that I had to modify a little because they pretty much they're pretty much universal. So you had to do some modifications to those little pieces, but yeah, they are universal, so anybody can get them. It'll fit on any car as long as you modify it a little, or you might not even need to, depends on the car. But I really had to cut it. I had to cut it a lot to put it on. But yeah, I like that little piece too, and it matches the whole shark fin look on every single one of the Street Aero. That, then that, and then that. And then in the back it looks so aggressive. That looks so good. I'm so happy with Street Aero. They always have great material put into their products. So yeah, that definitely will not disappoint. So actually with these guys, they came with other screws that you just screw in, and they're not bolt-on, they just screw on to wherever part of the rear bumper you want to put it on. So I just screwed those in. There's 4 bolts, and then I used 2 more for the diffuser just in case it is not sturdy enough. I want it to be reliable, and I'm actually really happy that I'm not that low in the back, because I would be scraping all over the place. But I do actually need to be careful, because I heard that the little fins, if you hit the fin against like a curb or something, if you're gonna scrape against that, I don't know, I think you're done with the diffuser. It goes along with it, so hopefully that does not happen. I also heard that the exhaust melts this part if it is too close, so hopefully that does not happen either. And yeah, that is the full Street Aero kit all around, with the rear diffuser, the universal fins, the side splitters, and then the front splitter to complete the full-on Street Aero kit. But just to let you guys know, it is possible to do it without taking off the bumper. It just may take a little more work. So yeah, it might just be hard to get to in some places. But yeah, I pretty much did it without taking off the bumper. You do have to jack up your car if you are pretty low. Alright guys, this is going to be the last look at the diffuser for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment down below if you guys like the diffuser and the rear fins. I really do appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I think that is going to be it for the video. I'm Excessive 2. Bye.